Australia secured a thrilling victory at the iconic Melbourne Cricket Ground, clinching an unassailable 2-1 lead in the series and guaranteeing that they cannot lose from this point, with a drawn series being the worst-case scenario. This crucial win not only bolsters their position in the race for the World Test Championship finale but also showcases the resilience and drama that Test cricket is known for. In a game that stretched to the fifth day, fans were treated to a rollercoaster of twists and turns, with the momentum swinging wildly between the two sides. The match delivered everything cricket enthusiasts could ask for: tension, excitement, and unforgettable moments, cementing its place as a classic encounter in the storied history of the MCG. Nathan Lyon strikes again, trapping Mohammad Siraj LBW to seal a pivotal moment for Australia. Siraj reviewed the decision, but the replays confirmed his fate. The delivery turned sharply from a length outside off, staying low as Siraj attempted to work it across the line, only to miss and be struck on the pads. Snicko showed no edge, and ball tracking revealed 3 reds, with the ball destined to hit leg stump. It was a clinical performance from Australia, capitalizing on the key moments to secure a 2-1 lead in the series. They are now firmly on track to reclaim the Border Gavaskar Trophy. A massive attendance at the MCG, of more than 66,000, witnessed a famous Australian victory as Pat Cummins' side triggered an Indian collapse 7 wickets for 34 runs, in the final session to go 2-1 up in the series. Rishabh Pant giving in to his temptation early after tea and hitting a half-tracker from part-timer Travis Head to Mitchell Marsh at long on became the inflection point for Australia after they went wicketless in the middle session. Pant's rash decision severely derailed India's strut towards a potential draw as Australia struck 2 more times in the next 27 deliveries. Scott Boland got 1 ball to rise from a length against offending Ravindra Jadeja, who nicked it behind. Nathan Lyon then piqued Australia's belief for a series lead by getting first innings centurion Nitish Reddy to edge to Steve Smith at first slip for just 1 run. India went from 121 thirds to 136ths, adding a spring to Australia's steps. Washington Sundar arrived with 5 close-in fielders around the bat, pumped and chirpy in search of a win. Sam Consters in particular, tried to get under the skin of both Washington and Jaiswal from Silly Point, constantly chatting up the duo. Cummins brought himself back into the attack after Boland's shot, effective burst and made the biggest dent on India with the wicket of Jaiswal. The India opener went for a pull against a short ball but couldn't connect well. Australia appealed for a caught behind and Cummins reviewed it the moment umpire Joel Wilson turned them down. The replays showed a clear deflection in the trajectory of the ball as it passed the bat and the glove, but the Snicko showed no big spike. The third umpire, however, overturned the on-field decision on the basis of the deviation to leave India 7 down. Akashdeep then lasted 16 balls before nicking Boland to head at forward short leg. The fifth day ended like it began, with India crashing in the face of pressure. They started off with Rohit Sharma, KL Rahul and Virat Kohli all failing against the new ball. The India captain tried to flick a full ball from Pat Cummins and edge to the gully fielder. Rahul got an exceptional delivery from the skipper in the same over that he couldn't keep the outside edge of his bat away from, while Kohli fell to the familiar bad habit of chasing a ball well outside the off stump, edging it right at the stroke of lunch. The Jaiswal Pant defiance in the middle session provided India hope of shared spoils, but the game transitioned to a situation where all 9 fielders were around the bat in search of 2 wickets with 15 mandatory overs to play in the day. Boland got Bumrah to nick 1 to Smith at first slip before Lyon wrapped up the victory by trapping Mohammad Siraj leg before.